now we're getting somewhere. And left, and left, and right, and right, and left, and left. Right, right, and left, left. All right, you guys gotta hang loose, okay? Relax, relax. Hang loose. Not too loose. Right, right, and left.
Walter's
left.
gonna be saying
All right.
this.
Okay, let's see. Okay, now you all follow
Deshaun!
our hula dancer.
You see the shit?
All right. And here we go. Now watch me closely. This is the way the wind blows through the tree. Watch as... Okay, stop. Just stop. She's killing me. No, I didn't stop it because it was, oh my God. Okay, no, it's only fair that we teach you the proper motion, the right movements, okay? So when you hear the word watch me, left hand, left eye, right hand extended. Okay? Go ahead. Go ahead and try. Left hand, left eye, right hand extended. Okay? All right. Now switch hands, bam.
You see all the guys just dying.
Okay, ready? Switch hands to the right, left hand. There you go. Now switch again, bam. This is the way the wind, emphasize on the wind, blowing through the trees. Everybody make a tree, tree. Okay. All right. Again, watch me. Left hand, left eye. Switch hands. As I show you the way the fishes can make a fish like it. Okay. Swimming beneath the sea, the ocean. Okay, very good. Now hitchhike to the right twice.
You know
hitchhike
that
to
Walter
the
is
right.
getting this,
Hitchhike
right? I'm
to the
showing this to
left
Walter.
twice. Now with our hands, make a great big circle in front of us and stretch all the way up. That's the moon. We're going to show them the moon, okay? Now from there, be very inviting and say, come on everybody. Come on, let's do the hula.
Right up there, yeah.
Because everyone's doing it too.
That's Mike. Why?
Okay, I think
Deshaun's
we're
recording it
getting
too.
somewhere. Okay, let's try that again from the top. Okay, everybody, watch me. This is the way the wind is blowing through the trees.
He flipped up
Again,
Deshaun.
watch me. Switch hands as I show you the way the fishes swim beneath the sea, ocean. Hitchhike to the right twice. Hitchhike to the left twice. Now let's show them the great big moon. Be inviting. Come on, everybody. Let's do the hula. Because everyone's doing it too. All right, I think we've got it. Okay, here we go. With the music. In slow motion, okay?
Wasted.
Now mind you, this is a non-contact hula, okay? Non-contact. So no poking of the eyes. No stepping on somebody's feet. All right, very nice. Here we go, watch me. Now watch me closely. This is the way the wind flows through the trees. Watch as I show you the fishes. The way the fishes swim beneath the sea. Hitchhike to the right. Oh, we're going down to the left. Do the hula, show the moon. We'll show you the moon. Come on, keep it inviting. Come on, everybody. Let's do the hula. Cause everyone's doing it too. I don't know. Cause everyone's doing it too. I'm not sure. How about some encouragement for our hula dancers, huh? Like I said, that was in slow motion. Now we're going to kick it up to regular speed. Alright? A little bit faster. Here we go.
Yeah, Joe!
Oh yeah. Swing it, folks. Swing it. And here we go. Watch me. Now watch me closely. This is the way the wind blows through the trees. Watch as I show you the fishes.
Yeah, if
the
you
way
can
the
put it
fishes
first, I'll do
swim
it.
beneath the sea. Hitchhike to the right. Oh, we're going to do the hula. Show the moon. We'll show you the moon. Pennsylvania, just like they do. In Pennsylvania. All right. Thank you, guys. Now you practice that, okay? We'll see you next year. Thank you.
I'm showing this to Walter.
That was but it was good. It was good.
Do you guys want to see it?
Oh, we saw it.
No, do you want to record it? Hey, Mike.
That's what I'm talking about, Joe.
To the land of